So as you're pushing it through, when you pull back and you pull out of the drain, these little spikes are going to catch all that hair and soap stuff. Let's say that you have a slow drain in your bathtub, like I do. We are in my spare bathroom, getting reports from everybody that the drain in the tub is just not draining fast enough. So when you're taking a shower, the water's kind of filling up, and then all that scummy water, dirty water, tends to get the tub super dirty. Usually what we end up doing, all of us collectively, right, is we reach for the Drano. Sometimes that's not available. That stuff is kind of expensive sometimes, anywhere from $10 to $20 per bottle. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't use that, or you can and it's safe. This is just an alternative that you can do to clear those clogs. It clears about 99% of all of the major kind of clogs that you have in your tub. It's mostly kind of hair and that soap scum that's in there. And the best way to do something like that to clear it is to physically remove it. These things cost like $1 or $2. You can get a pack of like 5 of them if you want. I've used the same one that I bought for a couple bucks, probably for the last 5 years, over and over again, and it fixes our drain issues whenever we have them. But what I have found is the physical drain snakes, these little plastic things, can be used over and over again. They tend to clear the clog up fairly quickly, and you can use them over and over again. And so there's an additional tool that I like to use when I'm using these plastic drain snakes, and that is just an old set of needle nose pliers, which come in handy. Now, if you're doing this and you're not filming it, it's going to go a lot easier. These plastic snakes are super flexible, and depending on the type of clog that you have down in the drain and how your drain pipe goes out of the tub, you're going to end up going in there and kind of doing this, right? So if you're not filming, what you want to do, just easier, just take 2 hands and kind of start feeding it through, and you're going to try to punch through your clog that you have. Now just kind of keep pushing. You notice these little spikes and the way they're oriented. So as you're pushing it through, when you pull back and you pull out of the drain, these little spikes are going to catch all that hair and soap scum. So as you're pulling out, you're going to start pulling out all of that clog. Now you're going to want to make several passes when you're putting this in. So you're going to stick it in as far as you can, pull it out, and do it several times until you feel pretty confident that you're getting everything out that's in there. If it gets a little stubborn, go ahead and pull it out and then reinsert it in a different area, and just try to finesse it to where you feel this kind of go all the way down into the drain. Now you're going to find all sorts of things down there as you're pulling stuff out. I found, bits and pieces of plastic, bunch of hair, God knows what else. But that's where the needle nose pliers will help you out also, that whatever this can't physically kind of get out all the way, you can just kind of stick your needle nose pliers down there and just pull it out as well. Just be sure to repeat the process until you feel pretty confident that you've got everything out of the drain. A smart idea to get the 5-pack and just have one of these in each one of your cabinets in each of the bathrooms. These cheap plastic drain snakes are actually rather robust, and you'll be amazed at how effective they are, and you really don't need to pour that chemical stuff down your drains.